guys, how are you all doing? Yeah, been prepping some things. I don't have soup. I don't have soup. I don't have stew for jollof rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making some okra vegetable soup, and then I started making my stew already. So I'm just going to show you what I want to do. I'm making okra vegetable soup, and then alongside with my stew. So stay tuned and enjoy this video, guys. I'm trying to get out of this kitchen. Sometimes you don't like to be in the kitchen, so I'll just go ahead and start doing what I can do. I'm all by myself, prepping and cooking. So I just have a help who is just videoing me for a little bit while I continue doing the cooking and the videoing. So please, your girl is putting so much effort. Make sure you subscribe. Go watch my videos. I have a lot of videos coming up. Please watch my videos, share to your friends and loved ones. And please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, okay? Alright, good to see you. Okay guys, here is my pot. I'm going to add some oil to my pot like so. Next, I'm going to be adding my okra. Next is my onion. I'm just going to let it toast for a little bit, the okra and the onion. So I'm just going to try and melt this okra and let it toast. If you do this, honestly, you will enjoy your okra soup. I like okra soup a lot, so I like to have okra in it. If I don't put okra, which is the castor seed, I put the other one that is called locust beans. This will infuse a lot of deliciousness into your soup. It will all melt. I'll add my blended stuffs like so. I'm going to add my blended bell pepper. I'm going to add my crayfish like so. Add my stockfish. I'll add some stockfish broth. Okay, I'm going to be adding some okra to this okra vegetable soup. I'll add my okra. This is the second batch. So I'm going to add my I'm going to add my smoked chicken. I have some smoked fish, mackerel fish, and some sea fish. Go ahead and stir all of this together. This is so delicious. Your delicious okra stew recipe, okra soup recipe. I'll go ahead and close it for 10 minutes. Okay guys, I'm going to add some vegetables to my soup. So I'm going to add some onions, guys. This is my pot of goodness, pot of deliciousness. Go and try this and let me know in the comment section. I'm going to leave the recipe for this soup in the comment section. Okra vegetable soup. It's so delicious. Alright guys, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. I don't have single drop of stew in the house in case I want to make some jollof rice, some porridge yam, and so on. Yeah, this is my homemade tomato. I will allow it here until it defrosts. I usually put them in Ziploc. I have some pepper. I have some Maggi seasoning. I'll close it up and let it continue to cook until it is nicely cooked. Okay guys, our sauce is ready. I'm going to go ahead and add some onions. This is it for your jollof sauce. You can use it for yam porridge, jollof rice, pasta, porridge, beans, yeah, white rice. This is the consistency. Here is the consistency, guys. Look at the consistency. Yeah, try this and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for staying. Bye bye. See you later. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. Guys, thank you for watching. Gucci's team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Thank you.